Hello, yarn enthusiasts. Welcome to my channel, where we unravel the mysteries of knitting. Today, we're diving into a mind-bending knitting technique, a full tutorial adventure. First, let's gather supplies. You'll need yarn. I'm using a worsted weight in blue. Grab your knitting needles. I'm using size 7, scissors, and a tapestry needle. Ready? Let's cast on. I'll show you the long tail cast on method. Create a slip knot on your left hand needle. Hold the yarn with the long tail in your left hand, and your needle in your right hand. Wrap the yarn around your thumb and index finger, forming a loop. Insert your needle under both strands on your thumb. Grab the yarn on your index finger, and pull it through the thumb loop. Drop the loop from your thumb, and tighten the new stitch. Continue until you have the desired stitches. Now, for the fun part, the slip stitch. The slip stitch is excellent for a clean edge. We'll start with the knit stitch. Bring your yarn to the back. Insert your right hand needle into the first stitch on your left hand needle. Wrap the yarn around the right hand needle, pull through, and slip the old stitch off. Now, for the slip stitch, insert your right hand needle into the first stitch. But instead of wrapping, simply slip the stitch from the left hand needle to the right hand needle. Let's practice. Alternate between knit and slip stitches for a textured pattern. Knit 1 stitch, slip 1 stitch. Repeat across the row. Turn your work and repeat. Knit the slipped stitches from the previous row, and slip the knit stitches. This creates a reversible fabric. Keep practicing. Knitting can seem complex, but practice makes perfect. Take breaks, and don't be discouraged by mistakes. They're part of learning. As you knit, the pattern emerges. Slip stitches create texture, and knit stitches provide a solid base. Experiment with yarn weights and needle sizes. Try different stitch combinations. Explore garter stitch knit every row. And stockinette stitch alternate knit and purl rows. Also, weave in those ends when you're done. And there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Like and subscribe for more. Happy knitting, and see you next time.